Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, grade 2 learners. I'm going to do decomposing again today. But today's decomposing, I'm going to show you how to decompose with a minus sum. So you remember from the last 2 days, your step number 1 is to put your T and your U on top of your question. So T and U. So now that you have your tens and your units on top of your question, you know that your second step is to write the word tens and to write the word units. Now you know that you need to take out all your tens. So all your numbers that have the T on top. So in this one, I'll be taking out the 2 and 2 tens is equal to 20. And because it's a minus sum, we're going to put a minus sign. Then the next one is 110. So 110 is 10. And you put your equals to sign. Now that we took out all our tens, we are now going to take out our units. So 7 units is 7. Don't forget, because it's a minus sum, you put your minus sign. 1 unit is 1. And you put your equals to sign. Now we are going to calculate. So 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. Now in the last 2 days I was telling you that there's a magic plus sign here. And now you know why it's called a magic plus sign. Because even if your sum is a minus sum, this sign stays a plus sign. It doesn't ever change. Now we say 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. And remember, we write it underneath the second number, so not underneath this number. Then we're going to make our big equals to sign. So one line on top, one line at the bottom. Now we're going to add downwards. Remember, it's a plus sign. So 0 plus 6 is 6. And 1 plus nothing is 1. And our answer is 16. And remember, we take our answer and we put it by the question. So let's recap again. Don't forget your tens and your units on top of your question. Then you write the word tens, you write the word units. Then you're taking out all your tens. And don't forget, because it's a minus sum, your sign will be a minus. Then you are taking out all your units, minus sign. Then we're going to add across, subtract across. So 20 minus 10 is 10. 7 minus 1 is 6. But don't forget your plus sign. It's called a magic plus sign. So even if your question is minus, this never ever changes. Then you add going downwards. So 0 plus 6 is 6. 1 plus nothing is 1. Your answer is 16. You take your answer and you put it by your question. Jazakallah.